VertiDrip is a high-efficient indoor vertical farming solution for cannabis cultivation. It is equipped with a strategic airflow system for your plants. The fans blow the way like natural wind do, and its speed can be adjustable. It enables your plants to have the most favorable airflow during different grow phases. A VertiDrip includes lighting system. The light is plant-oriented full spectrum. Each 4 by 8 feet tray is equipped with 1,300 watt grow lights. The light power can dim from 0% to 100% smoothly. It enables your plants to have the optimal light intensity during different grow phases. What's more, the light can be controlled separately as well. It enables us to do replacement work quite easily if any possible in the future operation. VertiDrip is equipped with drip irrigation system. Drip irrigation system delivers water and nutrients directly to the plant's root zone in the right amounts at the right time. So each plant gets exactly what it needs, when it needs, to grow up. The rack system of the VertiDrip is smoothly movable. The quantity of the tier and the unit of the rack can be customized. It enables to maximize available space by increasing growing capacity and avoiding new construction. With so many benefits of vertical farming, stable, safe structure is always the important part we couldn't overlook. Each tray can bear up to 500 kilogram. Grow spec rack system guarantee a firmly safe working table for every grower.